Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to delete apps on your Fire Stick. Whether you're looking to free up some space or just tidy up your device, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing your Fire Stick home screen. First things first, grab your Fire Stick remote and make sure you're on the home screen. This is where we'll begin our app deletion process. Step 2. Selecting the Apps section. Next, scroll over the Apps section using your remote. This is where all your installed apps are listed. Step 3. Highlighting the app to delete. Now, find the app you want to delete. Use the directional buttons on your remote to highlight the app icon. Step 4. Opening app options. Once the app is selected, press the Options button on your remote. A menu will pop up with several choices. Step 5. Choosing Uninstall. From the menu options, scroll down and select Uninstall. This will prompt a confirmation message. Step 6. Confirming deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the app by selecting Uninstall again on the confirmation prompt. And just like that, the app will be removed from your Fire Stick. Conclusion. And there you have it. Deleting apps on your Fire Stick is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.